And I think that's rice killer. You're gonna eat lots of rice with that. Which I love it. Hi, I'm Juno. I'm gonna cook some traditional spicy fish from my hometown, which I growing up with that flavor. I really miss that. This is blue coat I bought this morning. Trim up a little bit. And I'm gonna marinate the fish. Ooh. Salt, white pepper, chicken powder, like a little bit cooking wine, and we want 1 egg white. You want to coat a little bit corn flour. I'm just cut some lettuce on the bottom of you press in the fish. That's optional, you can change another stuff. You want to sauce all over that. You don't want to be crisp. You want to be kind of softer down. And you put the fish on the top and a little bit broth and hot oil on the top. Heat up, a little bit oil. This spring onion, ginger, garlic. Just fry it up until you can smell like really garlic. That's soybean paste. And grumpy mom. Soy sauce. Cooking wine again. Smells really good. We add fish stock. I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar. We don't wanna eat that stuff. We can just kind of now when they start boil again, then we put the fish in. Because I cut quite thick, and sometimes if too thin, they can be just broken. You can't really see the fish. It's my secret. That's Sichuan pepper oil, like they made from Sichuan peppercorn. Once the fish cooked, I will just put on top of the broth. I'm gonna stick up that broth just with corn flour. I'll just pour there. I will use some like spring onion, which we cut before. Again, Sichuan peppercorn, my favorite stuff. And lots of garlic. Chili. Hot oil. Finish. That's enough. And in there. If you like more flavor, always add more. Okay, that's spicy fish finished. You want every piece cover that flavor. If you love fish and you want to try something different and a creative, more flavor, that would be the best recipe for you guys. And if you like it, just, what's that word?
Subscribe.
Subscribe.